I gotta swim down here. Oh, there he is.
Oh, hello.
The shark in his natural habitat. How you doing?
What's up, man?
All right, so we're at Sharkie's house, and if you remember, the TV in here China'd out. So here's the new one. It's another VIZIO. It's bigger, at least. So, because that always means better,
Oh, of course,
according to America.
Too, yeah.
But something really awesome is how long this TV actually takes to turn on. Okay? So let me get everything set up and I'll show you. Okay, we have the stopwatch ready to go. And I'll click start when we say the word. I'm going to just put it down here. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Go. So I hit it a little early. It's on. Okay. So now it has to boot up. .63 seconds.
Yep.
21 seconds, maybe even just, 21 even, because I hit it maybe a little early. 21 seconds to get a picture. I have had vacuum tube TVs that turn on and get a picture faster than that. That is beyond ridiculous. The one good thing is it does shut down just like anything else should without doing any Windows updates or anything. Just off and that's it. So yeah, that's Chinese. I don't like it, and personally I'll stick with my CRTs because they're on and have a picture in probably full brightness in less than 10 seconds. Thanks very much for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe.
And take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.